Thanks for tuning into Mystery Curtain, where every gadget has a story waiting to be told. Join me as we explore the latest innovation, test its limits, and decide if it. iPhone 17 Pro hands-on compact yet just as powerful as the Pro Max. Apple's 2025 iPhone lineup has officially arrived, and among the stars of the show is the iPhone 17 Pro. While the Pro Max may grab headlines for its massive display, the iPhone 17 Pro proves that compact doesn't mean compromised. With upgraded design, more powerful hardware, and new camera technology, this year's Pro model is shaping up to be one of Apple's most balanced iPhones ever. Unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro. Unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro reveals a subtle but noteworthy shift in Apple's presentation. Unlike last year's iPhone 16 Pro packaging, which highlighted the phone's display on the box, this time, Apple chose to showcase the rear design of the device. It's a small change, but it instantly distinguishes the 17 series at first glance. Inside, the accessories are familiar. Alongside the device itself, users will find a USB-C to USB-C braided cable, a SIM ejector tool, and basic documentation. As expected, a charging brick remains absent from the box. Refined design and premium build. The iPhone 17 Pro immediately feels more polished in the hand compared to its predecessor. Apple has transitioned to a unibody aluminum frame with softened curves, where the rear panel meets the edges. This subtle change dramatically improves in-hand comfort, especially during extended gaming or photography sessions. The back panel itself combines matte glass and aluminum, giving the phone a refreshed identity compared to past Pro models. It's instantly recognizable while still retaining that iconic Apple minimalism. Color-matched buttons remain on the left edge, including the action button and volume controls. The SIM tray now sits slightly lower than on the iPhone 16 Pro. On the right side, Apple retains the camera control button, a fan-favorite shortcut for quickly launching the camera or toggling between photo and video modes. In terms of size and weight, the iPhone 17 Pro comes in at 8.6 mm thick and 206 grams. Though slightly heavier than its predecessor, it feels solid and well-balanced in the hand, reassuringly premium without being cumbersome. Compact display with serious power. One of the standout traits of the iPhone 17 Pro is its 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. For users who prefer smaller phones, this strikes the perfect balance: compact enough for one-handed use, yet large enough to enjoy media and gaming comfortably. With a resolution of 2622 by 1206 pixels at 460 pixels per inch, promotion support at 120 Hz, and dynamic island, Apple continues to refine its already excellent display technology. But the biggest leap comes in brightness. The iPhone 17 Pro reaches a peak outdoor brightness of 3000 nits, a full 1000 nits brighter than last year's model. Even in direct sunlight, the screen remains sharp, vivid, and easy to read. Powerhouse performance with A19 Pro. At the heart of the iPhone 17 Pro is the A19 Pro chipset, Apple's most advanced mobile processor to date. Built for speed and efficiency, it handles demanding tasks with ease, whether that's AAA gaming, video editing, or multitasking across several apps. RAM has also received a major upgrade, with the iPhone 17 Pro now offering 12 GB, paired with a base storage option of 256 GB. This ensures smooth performance even under heavy workloads. Adding to this, Apple has introduced a custom vapor chamber cooling system, ensuring stable performance even during extended gaming sessions. Naturally, the phone ships with iOS 26, introducing the new liquid glass design language. Several stock apps, including the camera interface, have been redesigned for greater clarity and ease of use. Camera upgrades worth noting. Perhaps the most exciting changes are found in the camera system. On the back, Apple introduces a redesigned triple lens setup, stretched across the left side. Each sensor now packs 48 megapixels, including the wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto cameras. The telephoto lens is especially noteworthy, now supporting up to 8x optical zoom, a major leap for users who rely on zoom photography. On the front, Apple debuts a brand new 18 megapixel selfie camera with a square sensor. More impressively, it integrates center stage technology, previously exclusive to iPads. This allows the camera to intelligently keep you in frame during video calls, even as you move. It also enables both vertical and horizontal framing, without physically rotating the phone. Battery and charging. The iPhone 17 Pro doesn't just bring better cameras in performance, it also introduces meaningful upgrades in battery and charging. Thanks to internal optimizations and a larger battery, the phone promises longer daily endurance compared to the iPhone 16 Pro. Fast charging now supports up to 40W, delivering 50% charge in just 20 minutes. Meanwhile, MagSafe wireless charging has been boosted to 25W, making it a more practical everyday option. Final thoughts. The iPhone 17 Pro may be the smaller sibling in the 17 lineup, but it makes no compromises. From its brighter display and triple 48 megapixels camera system to the A19 Pro processor and improved charging speeds, it embodies the full premium iPhone experience in a more compact form factor. For anyone who loves high-end performance but doesn't want the bulk of a Pro Max, the iPhone 17 Pro might just be the perfect choice.